Convoy of Hope does a lot of things. We have a driving passion to end generational poverty. We teach agriculture to people so they can grow their own crops. We feed more than 533,000 children every school day around the world. We teach women how to own and start businesses so that they can supply for their family. We have a great team that responds to disasters in this country and all around the world. We are in our global headquarters and training center. It's a great building, 200,000 square feet in Springfield, Missouri. We're a nonprofit organization, so we don't want to spend more than we need to. So we need to be able to take care of the heating and cooling needs in a way that's efficient and cost-effective.
Early on in the process, we knew that LG was a partner that we wanted to try to work with. What stood out to me from the mechanical side was a big office building and a very unique space, and knew that we'd have a pretty serious challenge to make sure that everybody in the building was comfortable.
What LG does for us here is allow us to meet the needs of those individual spaces uniquely.
We recommended the VRF for this facility because we thought it fit it the best. We try to recommend a product to the customer that has good local representation. It usually boils down to who supports the product the best. So that's why we recommended LG.
We knew that there was going to be a lot of varying load in the space. A day like today, right now it's December, it's 26 degrees outside, and there's areas that are in cooling because we have so much glass frontage on the building, while a good majority of the building is in heating as well. So the ability to handle both of those varying loads comfortably and do that seamlessly was the main goal of the project.
The building is somewhat of an industrial look. A lot of the common spaces, the ceilings are exposed. You see all the equipment up in the ceilings. All of the exposed areas have the four-way dual vane ceiling cassette with the shroud that goes around it for an exposed application. So they have that look. A couple different options with the design. One of them would have required large ductwork running through the building. LG Multi-V5 product, you're running refrigerant lines through the building, take up much less space. There's nothing sitting on lower roofs to make sure that they didn't see any of the equipment outside. All the equipment is sitting up on the top floor, which makes the refrigerant lines very long, and the Multi-V5 product accommodates that.
Convoy plans to be here for a very long time, so every dollar that we can save on the utility bills is another dollar they can put towards their mission, which is critically important.
It's a brand new building, it's a big building, but it felt very homey right off the bat. And I think a large part of that is because it was very comfortable.
Handing the owner a quality product. They don't have to draw their attention away from their mission for their air conditioning.
And you walk into this building and it's just incredible. It's a showpiece, a true statement, but more importantly, the work that Convoy of Hope does and knowing that we support their mission and their goals helps add to that satisfaction a little bit more.
It really is an incredible building that sets Convoy of Hope up to do really great things in the future.